Hi, today I'm going to show you a few ideas of some things you can make for Valentine's Day that are quick and easy. Save your toilet paper rolls. And let's see, let me find my papers. Okay, here's my papers. Okay, you want to cut, for each one that you're going to do, you want to cut your paper, and I'm using cardstock, but you can use regular bond paper, 6 by 6.25, or 6 by 6 would probably work as well. So I'm just getting a piece of tape, okay, and I'm just going to put a piece there. If you have double-sided tape, that would work as well. Okay, now you're just going to roll it up, and then you want to tape the seam. And one more piece. Okay, there's one. Let's do this other one. I think this heart paper is super cute. This was in a paper pad that I got at Michael's, and I don't know if it was, I can't remember if it was this year or in the past. I just don't remember. I just got it out of my stash. Whoop, look, that came undone. You want to make sure you tape it really good. Lesson learned. Maybe if you wrap the tape around, wrap your tape around to the inside. I think that will hold it better. And then I'm going to put one more piece right here. Okay, then we're going to do this one. Boy, it's just coming undone everywhere. This paper is quite thick too, so that doesn't help. I think it would stick better if it was just regular decorated bond paper like what you can get at Hobby Lobby. Okay, but those are good now. Okay. Then take your cellophane and just roll it around. I don't need all of this cellophane. It's way too long, but that's okay. No. Okay. Then take your cellophane and you want to center it. Okay, and then that's too much. So I'm going to cut that off. Now I'm going to tape it. And then I'm going to put one more piece lengthwise. Okay, and then you want to get your ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to just cut a piece of ribbon. And you want to tie one end first. Make sure you put your seam on the bottom. And then just kind of wrinkle it together. I'm tying it first so that when we put the candy and stuff in, the candy and the whatever you're putting in, it doesn't fall out. This cellophane's pretty thick, but if you use what comes on a roll, it'll be thinner. It's not going to matter. Get your bow how you want it. Then trim off your ends, I should say. Okay. Now we will put our treats in. So some of these and some kisses. Now I'm going to put my lip gloss in. So I want to make sure it's going to fit. Okay. And then once you can see that you've got pretty much what you can fit in there, then cut you some more ribbon. Make sure you put your bow on top. You know, you don't want to tie it upside down. So have it match this end, this other end. And then tie it. Oops. Got one in there that wants to come out. Okay. Now tie it. It's going to be a stickler. Okay. Cut your ends. Sorry, my dog is sick. She's going to the vet today. So, let's see. Turn this. Maybe cut that off a little bit. Then, if you have some stickers, you can take some stickers and dress it up. Got a purple one here. And then I've got a red one. And I think I just got my stickers at Dollar Tree. And isn't that cute? Okay, so for time's sake, I don't think we'll do the other one. Okay, so there's that idea. Okay. Then, if you're giving gift cards, this works for Valentine or any occasion. Get your gift card. These come from Dollar Tree. You can paint them or just leave them naturally. You know, the natural color they are. And they do stand. See, they come on a stand if you want to stand them up. But cute, fast, easy. Okay. And the next thing is, these are from Hobby Lobby. Zaz, why don't you go in the other room, baby girl, and take the tape off. Zaz, go in the other room. I just hope she doesn't have anything really serious that's going to be bad news. I've Googled it, and there are several things that it could be. It says kennel cough, eclapsing trachea, heart disease, but it said, the good part is it said most of it is treatable, most of those ailments, so hopefully. Okay, so then just, sure, just take the lid off. Boy, that bugger's on there. Oh my gosh. Maybe I might have to edit this part out. Okay, there you go. And I don't have, well, here's a few things. Okay, so we're going to put some candy in there. I was going to say I don't have anything cute to put in here, but I did grab a couple things. I've got a bath bomb and a lip gloss. The bath bomb's from Walmart. The lip gloss is from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to put those in there. That's about enough. And then put your lid back on. Then you can put some stickers on there. You'll want to take, I pulled the sticker off so you can still see stuff on the lid. You'll want to put some, you'll want to get some Goo Gone and take that off because you can still see part of the label. Okay, and then let's see, do I have, you can wrap your ribbon around. And maybe you don't even want to put ribbon. You'll have to just see what you think. And then I'm going to tape this ribbon on the back because it will it will surely come off. But see, that covers up the heart, so you kind of have to move it. So you'll have to decide if you want to put the ribbon or not. See, then I'm just going to put a piece of tape right there like that. So that's cute. That's a cute way to give a gift. Zaz, go in the other room, baby. Okay, then this was a fun little idea I came up with. Well, I don't think I came up with it, but got these hand sanitizers. So I just glued on a couple cabochons, and I glued on beaded letters that say KISS. And then this one, I don't remember where I got this, but it has the hole in it. So I just got a chain and put a heart and a clasp, and I just put the whole thing right down that hole. And then I did the lobster clasp up in there to hold it on. And look how cute those are. Now, who wouldn't love those for a Valentine gift or any occasion? You could even put their name on there. Okay, and then here's my last one for this video. So I got these at Dollar Tree. Just put some paper towel down in here, and then fold up your towel, throw in some sugar cookie mix, a cute spatula. I got the spatula last year at Target. And then this cute ribbon is from Dollar Tree this year, and tie that up, and look how cute. That's great for a teacher, neighbor gifts, coworkers, friends. I mean, really, who wouldn't love that? It's adorable. Okay, so I hope I gave you some great ideas, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye for now.